in this video I'm showing how to make my marshmallow flour recipe. Easy to pipe, tastes good and looks beautiful. And a little close-up of the inside. And of course, here's me trying some. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, ingredients you need. 10 grams of agar-agar, 10 grams of jam setter, 200 grams of sugar, 150 mils of water. In a stand mixer, you'll need 80 grams of egg whites, 100 grams of sugar, pinch of salt, pinch of cream and tartar, and vanilla essence. Whip up your egg whites, slowly adding in your sugar, add your salt, and whip, whip, whip. In a saucepan, you're going to add the sugar, agar-agar, your jam setter, your water, and you're going to bring it to a boil. Once it reaches 100 degrees, you're going to then add it to your whipped egg. There you go, there's me adding it. Slowly add it because it's hot. Let it whip for another 3 minutes. Whip, whip, whip. At this point, you'll add your food colouring. It will come out glossy, smooth and delicious. Make sure you have your piping bags all organised like I have and you're ready to pipe. Any questions, leave in the comments. But give it a go, guys. It's so much fun. Thanks for watching. Cheers.